Welcome to Books 24/7 Quick Overview, a tutorial brought to you by the VDOT Research Library. Today we'll introduce you to this unique resource and cover basic searching. What is Books 24/7? A subscription database that provides VDOT employees desktop access to tens of thousands of ebooks by top publishers in IT, business, engineering, finance, and more. What are the benefits to using Books 24/7? Well, key benefits are desktop access available to you literally 24/7 and the quantity and quality of the information provided by top authors and top publishing houses. Thanks to VDOT's Learning Center, you can now use all 10 collections offered, which includes not only ebooks, but video clips and online interactive content. It's more than 25,000 books, with an average of 260 new books added each and every month. A quick way to get to Books 24/7 is to go through the library's website, which you can get to through inside VDOT. Our webpage can link you to all the subscription databases and library services you have access to, but for this tutorial, we're going to focus solely on Books 24/7. From the library webpage, click on Research Tools, where you'll see a list of databases including Books 24/7. Any VDOT employee can access Books 24/7, and there's no registration required. However, you must be logged on to the VDOT network or be coming in through VPN. Now that we found the link, just click on it. When attempting to access Books 24/7's online library, you may encounter a page indicating a security certificate issue like this. This is a temporary issue due to the VDOT migration to the COV domain. You may proceed to Books 24/7's login page by clicking on the option Continue to this website. Next, you'll see this login screen, which prompts you for your VDOT username and your current VDOT password. It's important to enter your username without the domain qualifier. So for me, that would be ken.winter and your current password. Finally, click on the login button. Okay, we're in. And you'll notice that we're looking at my default Books 24/7 page, as I've personalized it. Before doing anything, let's take a second to orient ourselves to the default screen, or the My Home screen. You can tell that's where you're at by looking at the tabs in the upper right-hand corner. In addition to My Home, you have Account Info, a feature that's not available for our subscription, and the Help tab, which has a variety of resources that are helpful to new users. At the top of the search screen are the search boxes, and you can see that for our quick search, you have a box for your search terms, and then two pick lists that you can use to limit what field you're searching in and what collection you're searching. Next to that is the advanced search, which we'll discuss in another video. Looking at the screen from left to right, we see My Personal Folders, System Folders, and the Manage Folders options. In the center of the page, we see the What's New section with tabs for live events, titles, and at Books 24/7. Finally, to the right, we see the Browse Topics feature, which we'll cover in another video. Let's get started with a quick search. Books 24/7 offers incredible benefits to anyone at VDOT, but it has some particular strengths. First among those has to be its IT collection, specifically quick reference books for software, programming, and more. Let's try a search for one of those Dummies books that we've all seen at bookstores. I'll type in Excel for Dummies. When I do that, I get 259 titles. The Books 24/7 search engine does several things to enhance search results. First, it gives greater weight to terms found in book titles and section headings. Second, it utilizes word stemming and other strategies to rank results. With that in mind, we notice that the first item has all our search terms right in the title, with the top 3 section hits listed. If we hover over a section, we can see that it is hypertext linked. And if we click on that plus sign, it would show us all 5 section hits. I think we can do a better search than that, so let's simply add 2007 to our search. We get a smaller set, but still plenty to select from. Clicking on an item or section takes us right in so we can start reading. And the previous and next buttons help us navigate from page to page. Graphics can often be enlarged, and some titles may have other interactive features. Are there any limitations to Books 24/7? Well, the main limitation is that, unlike a printed book, items in Books 24 by 7 are expressly designed to be used from your desktop. VDOT's contract with Books 24 by 7 prevents excessive printing or screen captures, and if they detect you doing that, you'll receive an email asking you to stop. So while Books 24 by 7 is perfect for answering quick reference questions, it's unlikely that you'll want to read a book cover to cover this way. That wouldn't really be practical. If you need a print copy of a book, just contact the VDOT Research Library and we'll buy it and loan it to you for as long as you need it. Also, you should know that there are many ebook formats entering the marketplace these days. Books 24 by 7 ebooks are unique in that they are the exact content you'd find in a printed version of the book, only reformatted in HTML and designed to be read online from your computer. That's different from the types of ebooks meant to be downloaded to portable devices like a Kindle or an iPad.
If you have questions about Books 24 by 7 or any other online library database, contact Ken Winter at the VDOT Research Library. After all, our job is to help you do your job.